हिम्मतों में ना थकना है, तेरे हर कदम पे है लाखों दुआएं। तुम बस रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन। तुम रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन। तुम हौसलों पे ना शिकना है, हिम्मतों में ना थकना है, तेरे हर कदम पे है लाखों दुआएं। तुम बस रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन। तुम रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन। रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन। रखो जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन, जीत की लगन।
आज क्या होता है। बाबर आजम साहब आए हैं, बाबर आजम साहब खेल रहे हैं जी। 16 स्कोर 1 आउट, और ये ज़बरदस्त अपील, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता, लेकिन ये आउट नहीं है। और ये देखें जी, कमाल के आज बैटिंग कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान प्लेयर्स। ये एक और चौका, बहुत ही अच्छी बैटिंग, बहुत अच्छी प्लेइंग है जी। आज तो कमाल खेल रहे हैं पाकिस्तानी शाहीन। ये एक और 4 रन्स चौका। इमामुल हक बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं आज, बहुत ही अच्छा। कम बालों पे ज़्यादा स्कोर। और ये हमारे बाबर आजम साहब आउट हो गए। कमाल की शॉट थी, लेकिन कैच हो गया। और इमामुल हक साहब भी आउट हो गए। अब आए हैं जी रिजवान, और ये देखें जी, कमाल। रिजवान तो बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर हैं, बहुत अच्छा खेलते हैं। बहुत ही थोड़ा सा बचा है, सीधी विकेटों में जाती। ओ, ये कैच भी ड्रॉप हो गया। बस लक साथ दे रहा है आज हमारे प्लेयर्स का। बहुत अच्छी शॉट रिजवान की, कमाल। 4 रन्स के लिए ये रिजवान की शॉट, कमाल शॉट। देखें, बहुत अच्छी शॉट, कमाल। देखते हैं, आपको आगे ये मैच जो है वो दिखाते हैं। एंजॉय कीजिए, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा।
Mid-off was inside, and the batsman's too well set. The pace is gentle, almost amiable. And it goes again. Maybe not as much in control this time, but still for 4. India, Pinji. Last semi-final was a 240 kind of game. 50 comes up for Saad Shakil. And a very... it might seem like just a little dab. He knew where the field was. It's a clever shot for 4.
And that's 50 for Rizwan now. This partnership really starting to move.
He's in control of that, and he knows where the spaces are now very well. That's... Oh no!
It's called the commentator's curse. Ahmed coming in at number 6.
Well, it's a tailor-made situation.
That's such a good shot. He was waiting on that one. He was trying his hand at cutting the ball earlier. Looked at
Every time he's gone in, he has really produced runs, and he...
He's placed it well.
Batting will automatically get better, but his bowling needs to really step up.
170 for the loss of 4. Going on. What did you ever bowl spinner? Actually, you can wear the glasses when you're a spinner, I guess. That's a good shot. There's no one patrolling that part of the ground, so it's 4.
Well, he moved further away from the off.
Up the point you guys are making.
Oh, that's such a good shot. Thanks, Katie. That is really a remarkable on drive on a slope. Abdul, what a beauty, what a great comeback. Rizwan is done. Playing across the line probably. Gone, another one. Caught behind, that's good keeping, good bowling. What is happening?
Fine enough, will beat the fielder for 4. From time to time, they'll keep producing these boundaries, Pakistan. He'll play the shot. The fielder there, it's going to be touch and go. It's 6.
On. Oh, it's a good shot. Over pitched. Beautiful down the ground.
Good shot for 4. And I think that's what they'll start doing now. For the next 2-3. Halim. Easy. The moment he picked the slow ball was easy because the field had come inside. Sometimes you can err and almost concede a boundary on the other side where you've got... Bowling! Oh, yes! Straight through! Wonderful by Bastaleda.
Really support Nawaz. Good delivery, very...
Thank you. Outside off, impact in line and hitting...
Hassan Ali's come and gone. It's 2.
They can get it right. Almost. Almost.
Play county cricket. Nicely played. Easy pickings, just straight, looking for that Yorker again.
One boundary. Albeit a ball. Watchful here. Out. That's out.
Fortuitous, but they'll take him. Doesn't matter how.
Beautifully. How about this one? I think he's gone. That is a beauty. Thinking, but I tell you, it's not easy.
And the stumps up at the front and get them started well, set the tone, so to
And
speak.
the batsman, 20 years of...
The left arm quick, who's sitting alongside.
Shaheen is...
A little bit of shape. Full, as you'd expect, is going to be... Shot! It's beautifully played. On the up, and it's through the covers.
2 ball bowlers, they get a little frustrated, a little too quickly.
Pitching outside leg.
Over the top this time. Good timing. This will race to the boundary. Lovely shot.
Oh, fielding. Excellent, skipper. Nobody's stopping that this time. The hands thrown at it, and away it goes. Oh, yes. Timing. Gone at it. Not quite where he intended, but it's off to the fence. Oh, yes. Like the shot of a gun. Gone at it, gone at it. Catch taken. There's the breakthrough. Oh, just short. So very nearly. Inside edge, big one. 137. They'll go for 4 because it's timed superbly. Sometimes you just see the ball leave the bat.
Now Harris Ralph comes on the bowl.
Almost played on.
Yeah, it's the kind of pitch where you can expect inside edges. It's a slope.
Will beat the fielder for 4. Just got width, and that's what we're seeing from both Vikramjit and from Ackerman.
Acclimatized to those bouncy tracks. That's a lovely shot. Length on offer, and
the kind of off breaks that Colin Ackerman did. And gets a wicket first ball. Went so far across his stumps to play the shot, maybe predetermined. That was too full. Have you watched a free hit here? He's got a long leg, deep.